Usually, when things like plastic appliances break, people tend to toss them out. But guess what? We can actually fix cracked plastic with a soldering iron. Alright, let's get started. First, find a wire or steel wire that's about the same size as the soldering iron. Then, shape it to match. You can check out the instructional clip for some helpful tips. Once we've got the wire shape just right, it's time to put it to work. I've got a broken basket here that we can fix using this method. After the repair, the item is good to go again. No need to throw it away anymore. I hope you find this clip really useful. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.